coming there. Guys, it is your girl, Bro Beauty, and we are back with another video.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Yo, yes, honey. So today we are about to do an unboxing. So, backstory. Bae went and got me some shoes for my birthday, which is coming up in a couple of weeks, and he got me some Christian Louboutins. Yes, your girl is so happy. Your girl is pumped. She got some Christian Louboutins. So these are the Gladiator pumps. Let me see if I can show you guys. These are the Gladiator pump sandals in a size 41. So size 41 in American sizes, this is a size 11. So these shoes came from Nordstrom. So let's open them up and see what we got. So they come with these beautiful satin bag. Well, they bag. I don't know what material they are, but they bag. So they got one for each shoe for safekeeping, boo. Y'all see that Christian Louboutin? Hello, ladies. Oh my God. Do y'all see these though? Do y'all see these? Like, so these are your 85 millimeter. Ooh, do y'all see the inside? Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin. Like I'm so pumped, y'all. I can't. Like, your girl went and got some damn Christian Louboutin shoes. Y'all, and it says made in Italy. Like, y'all don't know how bad I've always wanted these shoes. Like, y'all don't know how bad I've always wanted a pair of red bottoms. Like, I wanted red bottoms for as long as I could remember. Like, to the point where I couldn't buy none, so I had to like visualize it. So let me show y'all how I visualized these shoes and how I manifested them into my life, honey. So I want to say 2 years ago, we went painting, sipping, painting. And y'all know there's 100 different categories or pictures that you can paint. This is what I decided to paint. A pair of red bottoms. It's called Red Wines, Lips, and Soles. So this is what your girl painted 2 years ago. Okay. Last year, I was in Burlington and I saw this beautiful picture. Okay. This is what's hanging up in my bathroom. So that was 2018, 2019, and 2020. Your girl got her first pair of Louboutin sandals. Oh my God. I am so freaking, like, y'all don't understand. I'm on cloud 9 with these damn shoes. I cannot wait to wear these shoes. I'm going to try them on for y'all. See how they fit. I'm so, like, y'all don't even know. I'm so pumped. Like, I'm telling y'all, when y'all see me pop out with these shoes, like, I'm going to be like, who? Taisha, who that? Wait, who? Look, I got to think of a ratchet name for when I wear these shoes. Because, girl, she got to be like, So I got to find an outfit. I got to find a nice-ass dress or a nice-ass outfit to wear with these shoes. Let me see. So this is how they look. Do y'all see this though? But they're comfortable. Like, the thing about these is that they're not like the stiletto ones, because I broke my ankle, so I needed something with a hard or wide bottom. And y'all know, anytime y'all see Christian Louboutins, they always got that stiletto at 100 millimeter. No, we got these are 85 millimeter. They are so comfortable to put on. Oh my God, like, I can't wait to wear them. I cannot wait to wear these shoes, y'all. These were online, retail price $7.95, just in case you guys wanted to go buy them. But yes, honey, I am through the damn roof with these shoes. I cannot wait to wear them. But yes, so that's my new babies, okay? These are my new babies, and I cannot wait to wear them. But I'm gonna end this video here so that your girl could go have fun with her new shoes and thank her boo for them. And yes. Y'all don't understand how happy I am, like how long I've always wanted these shoes. Y'all would not understand my excitement right now. You just will not. You will not understand my excitement about these damn shoes. Okay. But anywho, so I know I have not been uploading, guys. I promise you I will get you guys more videos. You let me know how I did in this video, how you like this video, and if you guys want to see me unbox some more things, let me know down in the comment section. I have a couple of videos down below about with a couple of unboxing videos down below if you guys want to check those out. But until next time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. I love you guys. Thank you, guys. Peace.